Greetings! Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. This is part 2 of our look at the Mylio photo application, which purports to use artificial intelligence, as it were, to auto-tag and organize your photos on your storage on your devices. Last week we just set it up and did some importing, and we're taking the next step right here. We're going to click here and bring in the organization system here and see. I have no idea what by smart tag is. Apparently nothing. Let us see. Reset AI sensitivity for all smart tags back to default. No idea what that is there. Let's see, by category. By visual property. Interesting. By white balance. Thought by visual property might be like by landscape or people or by camera. Interesting. Let's try by Pentex. Ooh. Ricoh, which is also Pentex. Ricoh is the company that owns Pentex. Sony. Let's see. By event. Let's try this. I'm just clicking around here and seeing what it's. Maybe there was something I was supposed to do with smart tags beforehand. All my photos are in Dallas. Well, they're located in Dallas. That's not where they were taken. Getting started. Did that? Ooh, I didn't take the tour. I added my files. Configure your setup. Let's see what that does. Add and manage devices. Yes, Red Demon is this computer. Well, we're going to see if it works here before we sync on a whole bunch of other devices. All right. That's okay. I guess the part I still have to figure out back here is where is it here? The smart tag setup. By rating, label, and flag. Find a filter. Let's just say landscape. Let's try to give it something easy here. Yeah, I think we're confusing it by someplace here I clicked calendar. So let's go to photos. Let's try that again. I don't think birthday pictures are landscapes. Yeah, some unconverted negatives. Let's wonder what by person does. Well, I guess the part here I'm not getting here is, and I guess it would help if I actually read the instructions, but let's not get crazy. How do I get back to There's my smart tag. Reset AI sensitivity for all smart tags. But I didn't do any setting of this, so I'm not sure what the reset is. I'm not sure, I guess, how to find the smart tags. Well, I will. We're already at 5 minutes here, and so I will take a look at these smart tags here. Oh, let's see. Wait, is this a smart tag? Reading and tagging. Ah, here we go. Flag. Auto advance. Oh, this is interesting. Keywords: one face, adult, blanket, eyebrow, floor. There's no floor in there. Forehead, human, human action, human. What I like about this, again, as I've said a couple times here, I would rather false positives than false negatives. False negative means you don't find a photo that you should find. False positive means you find a few photos that you shouldn't have found. Within reason, false positives are better. Obviously, if it pulls up all 48,000 some hundred photos every time you put in a keyword, that would be as useless as not having any keywords. But if it's going to, have a couple of percent, I'm not seeing any. I'm still not seeing any smart tags here. So, and it does do it from. It is. There's the file name, so it is taking that into account. Interesting. Well, let's see. I guess the one more question here then is, type here to find a filter. How do I search by keyword? Interesting. Well, that's got some promise. I will, and we're already at 8 minutes here, so let's give this a, let's call it on this one, and I'll do a third follow-up after I guess I'll have to read some documents here and figure out how to search by these keywords, and we'll see. Well, let's see up here. What does this do? Search. I'm going to put in a keyword. I know that this is added, so adult. All right. That was... Okay, I'm going to mark this as useful here. We have a couple false positives here. These are kids. And a kid. But yeah. All right, I'm sorry. This one's 9 minutes long, but this way we don't have to do a follow-up. I'm going to explore this some more, and I'm going to give it a big chunk of photos and see how it does. So that's the hot take on Mylio photos. I will put a link to it down below. All y'all have a great week. Feel out.